Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, just calibrating?
Come with me. I want to show you something.
Okay. All right, Emily, what did you want to show me?
So this is our new HQ Series portable meter. We have 8 different models covering a wide variety of your needs, whether you're in the field or the lab. Do you want to check it out?
Definitely.
Okay. So if you open the box, you'll see you have your meter. There will be power cable, USB cable, manual, and a wrist strap, along with a lithium-ion battery. All you need is to connect your sensor.
Can I assume there's additional accessories I can get if I need?
Yeah. So if you're out in the field, we have a couple different options for you.
Can I see?
Yeah, take a look. So you'll see there is a protective glove on the outside of the meter, giving you a little bit extra protection. Then we also have a hand strap, which fits nicely around your hand in case you were to be out in the field in a harsh condition. Then there's also a kickstand that can, as you just did, put it in and out and sit it on your table if you're in the lab, or you can set that on the back of a truck bed if you're out in the field.
First thought is it feels solid. I really like how it holds in my hand. The glove and the hand strap feel like it's not going anywhere. And I think all these combined to make this a field-ready meter. So we know these are portable meters. Looks like what could be a case for it. Could you tell me about
Yeah,
it?
let's take a look. So this is our standard case for some of the standard cables that we have for sensors. So if you take a look inside, there is a meter. You can actually use this case with or without the protective glove, kickstand, and hand strap. So that fits in there nicely whether or not you want to take those off. And then we have sample cups here. There's a removable piece of foam for extra flex space if you need that as well. And we can fit up to 3 standard cables in here, 3 standard sensors.
That's important. Are those in there pretty secure and safe?
Yeah, so actually there's no way that these will wiggle around. There's a nice little feature where that just snaps right in. And then if you look underneath these, we have a nice little spot to grab anything else that you might need as you're leaving the lab.
Gloves or wipes or something like that. Cool. Is there any other options for cases?
Yeah. So then we actually have a rugged case available as well, which I'll pull out here and let you open that up.
All right, so this rugged case looks like it has a lot of room, looks like it might have a removable tray.
Yeah, there's actually room for 3 sensors, rugged sensors up to 30 meters actually. You can take that tray in and out if you need extra room. So it's actually really flexible. We've made it so you can just take it anywhere and use it however you need.
Between the protective glove, the hand strap, the case options, this meter feels like it's rugged and field ready. But is there anything else I should know?
Yeah, in addition to those features and accessories we talked about, we have an IP67 rating, makes it perfect for field use.
Emily, as I look through the screen, I see a few options that are familiar to me. And one thing I noticed that was interesting was instructions here when I went into calibrate. And I could see those instructions being pretty handy for newer users without as much experience. And then also I noticed when I went into calibration, I got an error, and it looked like I could also go into troubleshooting steps for that.
So we have built-in troubleshooting instructions on the HQ meter, which makes it great for any type of user, whether they're in the field or the lab.
I can see it being handy in the field, especially being able to just address the error right then and there and move on and keep measuring.
Exactly. So Hach's built in all of these features. We've made the HQ series more intuitive and user-friendly.
Looking at the data log, and I noticed a few options that I haven't seen in the past. I noticed a filtering option that looks like it allows us to filter by a couple different types of data.
So the HQ series allows you to filter by parameter, measurement type, and date range.
I can see that being useful. And what about exporting it?
You can quickly transfer data via USB to your PC. Okay, so let me show you. If you actually scroll down on that screen, click on Export Data with that middle button.
Okay.
And it'll give you a prompt saying it's preparing the data file just for a few minutes, and then it'll actually tell you what to do.
Well, look, it gives me instructions right here that are straightforward to connect it to my computer with USB.
Yeah, so since you have your USB cable plugged in there, you'd actually take the other end and put it right into your PC. You'll get a few messages on the screen that'll tell you what the next step is.
I've got a little indicator light here that tells me it's working, and it does give me instructions. Find HQ 4300, select the, looks like a file name, copy the file name to my computer.
Yeah, so once you plug that cable in, you'll actually see the file here on your desktop. Open that up and find the file name that's listed on the meter, and then you can see the most recent date of data that you exported. Open that file up, it'll open in an Excel file for you to view and quickly print or manipulate however you'd like.
That is really easy, especially with the instructions on the screen. That looks great.
So the HQ series is also Claros enabled. This allows you to safely transfer measurement using Bluetooth technology. We do have a Bluetooth accessory. This is our Bluetooth dongle. You actually would take that factory cover that's in the back of the meter, remove it, and then put that dongle in that place. Once the Bluetooth dongle is installed, you can take your battery cover, reinstall, and then you're ready to transfer data.